Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can make a GIF on Capcut. Let's get to it. Open your Capcut app on your phone. Then you have to import the video or photo that you want to make it as a GIF. And I have imported my video right here. And if you want to make a GIF from this video, we can click on this video like this and choose cut out option on the bottom of your screen right here. And then you have to choose remove background. And now the background has been removed from our video, and we can click on this check mark and click on this button. Alright, and after that we can put animation to our GIF by clicking on this animation option right here and choose the animation that you like. Just scroll all the way to the right, and I'll go with this one. Just click on the animation, and after that you can click on this check mark after you choose the animation that you like. And you can also choose the duration by dragging this cursor like this and click on the check mark. And let's check the GIF together. And if we want to save it, we can click on this button and choose GIF option right here. Alright, just the GIF option, and you can choose the quality of the GIF, and I'll go with this quality, the standard quality, because my Capcut is not premium, so I can only choose this quality. And after that we can click this button to save this GIF to our gallery and wait until it's 100%, guys. And alright, and we can check it in our gallery. Alright, this is the GIF that we have just created in Capcut. Okay guys, that's how we can we can create a GIF on Capcut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.